Welcome everyone, my name is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty. So today I'm going to be talking to you about a few products that either I have hit pan on them or I will be hitting pan pretty soon because I'm using them up, so stay tuned. Okay, so I did an empties video last month, and I actually had it actually seemed to really interest some of the people who do watch my or pay attention to the things I post on social media. I know that someone asked me to post another one of some things that I was planning on using up in the next couple months or so. So I do have some products I'm going to be hitting pan on pretty soon. I see that little pan peeking through. So maybe that means I hit it already, but I'll go ahead and show them off. So this one, you know, I hit pan on this one already. This is actually the Covergirl Queen bronzer in Ebony bronze. Now this is the prior formulation that they came out with, because I know they did recently revamp this product when they updated the branding. I kind of panicked because I have a personal one, then I have one that I keep in my kit too. So I usually have multiple versions of these around. This is a really pretty warm bronzer that looks nice on a lot of different women of color. You can use it, you know, especially in the summertime, like as a bronzer around your face. You can use it as an eyeshadow. It's one of those products you could use it in multiple parts of the face and kind of have like a monochromatic look. So I'm glad they brought this one back, because this is one of those products that needs to be around forever. So I will soon be hitting pan on both of, well, two of my Super Shock Cheek colors from ColourPop. Duh, ColourPop. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. So I wear these a lot in the summertime in particular. And I wear these when I'm trying to have like a very soft, no makeup look. I'll definitely be featuring them in a video coming up, but it's one of the, you know, like when you like a product so much that when you know you're almost out, you kind of panic a little bit. Just like I said, I panicked with the Covergirl. With this one, I have like checked the ColourPop website every couple months to make sure that they didn't like discontinue these shades, because I like them so much. I probably should just stock up on them just in case. But this one, Parasol, is like a really neutral gold that will look nice on so many different people. And this Avalon color is almost like a cream version of my Becca blush copper that I like to use. This one is darker, but they remind me of each other. Like they have this very like golden, warm, peachy color. It's like, is it gold, is it peach? You know, it's kind of like a blend of both. I like to layer these on top of each other sometimes, but yeah, I love both of these, and so I'll definitely be featuring these in a video sometime coming up, so you can see how I use these. Look, this is the Stila Shimmering Glow liquid eyeshadow in the color Twig. I have used this so much and I need to get another one. I will be getting another one and probably some other shades from this particular formulation from this brand. This is like the best cream eyeshadow. It's great. It dries down fast, so you have to get used to it. But once you do, you will love this. It will make your eye looks like really simple and easy, because you could really like a simple eye, basically just the cream shadow and then just a flesh tone powder to just kind of blend the edges, soften the edges a little bit. That's really all you would need. So yeah, the Stila color, she's just about gone. I'm gonna have to reorder this soon, and I have a list of about 5 or 6 other shades I want to get in their cream eyeshadow because I like them so much. So I hope you enjoyed this video learning about some of the products that I will be using up soon. And if you did like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also sign up for my mailing list so you can find out about some exciting things that I have coming up soon. Take care. Bye.